Hi class, for this lab you're going to need a Word file, and then what I need you to do is save the Word file, go to the Save As option, and then place it wherever you can actually find it. And then once you properly save it, I need you to do the following. Now, if you don't actually have Word, in the actual assignment, I pasted the link on the steps to actually download Word or actually update Word and Excel, and this is actually provided by MJC. So you have to go through your email and then you can follow the steps here. Once you click under Outlook, you can install Office, and Office is going to give you a version of Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So we're going to need Excel too for a couple of the labs later. Now, this is basically how Word works, and we're looking for the following command. So this is the screenshot version, and all I need you to do is follow these steps. So save the file, and then you simply go to Insert, and then you have to find this this one here that says screen clipping. And what screen clipping does is it basically goes to it looks behind the Word document, and all you have to do is basically select the portion that you may need and then insert that or embed it into the actual Word document. So this is all I really need you to do. Insert basically any picture. You just have to have some file or some website on the background, and then insert it. You're going to use this feature to create some of the graphs for your project. So simply, once again, you go to Insert and then Screenshot, and then select the screen clipping. And then once you do this, you basically just select the portion that you want to actually will retrieve. And then what this feature does is now you can actually save this. You can save it as a picture. As I said before, this feature is going to help you do the graphs for your project. So for this assignment, simply save the file and upload it. I should see a Word document submitted with some sort of a picture. Any picture is actually fine. So you just need something on the background, and that would be it for this lab. So submit the Word document with the picture embedded, exactly how it shows on the screen.